Hello friends, in this video I show you how can you record your laptop screen and how to take a screenshot your laptop screen. In this video I show you these two keyboard shortcut. Okay, let's see I show you. Take screenshot. You press here Window Shift plus S. Select here on screen which area you want to take screenshot. Now click here. So screenshot friends I take ready. So here you see upside have all setting. You can save in your laptop this screenshot and use this all setting. You can edit this screenshot also. And next keyboard shortcut friends, how can you record your laptop screen? You press here Window Alt then R and you see here upset screen record start ready. So friends, very simple easy. You can use this two shortcut, record your laptop screen and take your laptop screen screenshot very easily. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.